Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video, we are going to prove that dot vector r is equals to 3 and del cross vector r is equals to 0. Okay, so this is the statement given. So let's find out the solution. So first one, we are going to prove that del dot vector r is equals to 3. Okay, so first proof is what? Del dot vector r equals to 3. So let's write it down. This is what we have to prove. So del dot vector r can be written as, del we can write it as what? I times dou by dou x plus j times dou by dou y plus k times dou by dou z, right? Into vector r, I can write it as, xi plus yj plus zk. Correct? These are the unit vectors with these direction x, y and z. Now, multiplying these, we get I and I will be 1, j and j will be 1 and k will be 1. So just multiplying the corresponding elements, we get dou by dou x into x plus dou by dou y into y plus dou by dou z into z. Now differentiating x with respect to x, y with respect to y, z with respect to z. Partial differentiation these are. So del dot vector r is equals to, partial differentiation with respect to x is 1. Partial differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. Partial differentiation of z with respect to z is 1. So del dot vector r is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Hence the first proof is done. The second proof, what we have to do is del cross vector r is equals to 0. Right? Del cross vector r is equals to 0. So this is what we have to prove now. So let's do it. I can write this as del cross vector r equals to I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Okay, cross xi plus yj plus zk. Now cross, this is cross, so this has to be written in the determinant form. I j k dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. X, y and z. Correct? Now we will find the determinant. So it is going to be I times, leave this column, leave this row. So this is going to be dou z by dou y minus dou y by dou z. Right? Now minus j into, leave this column, leave the jth column, leave the jth row. Now you have dou z by dou x minus dou x by dou z. Okay. Now we have plus k times, leave the kth column and kth row. So we have dou kth column and kth row. So it's going to be dou y by dou x minus dou x by dou y. Right? Is this clear till now? So now differentiating z with respect to y, partial differentiation of z with respect to y. This is 0, right? I. So this is 0. Differentiation of y with respect to z. This is what? This is simply going to be any constant if you are differentiating with respect to something, then it's going to give you a 0. So 0 minus j, this is going to be 0, plus, this is partial differentiation, right? So k, this is going to be 0. So this is simply 0i plus 0j plus 0k, which is what? Vector 0. So hence del cross vector r is equals to 0. Hence proved, right? Hence proved. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to hit the bell icon, like, share, subscribe.